Today we will discuss about compounding info object. It is very important and the interview regularly they will ask you. Okay. So in which scenario we will create? What is the purpose of this compounding? Like compounding in the SAP BW is easy to make characteristic uniquely identifiable when they are not unique by themselves. So when you want to use compounding info object, then it will display the unique row. Otherwise, if you don't use in compounding, then the data will have some duplication issue. That time only we will use it. So which scenario you will use in the real time? You can explain in the interview also, like multi-company scenarios. Like one company is purchased another company. That will happen in the real time. So at the time, so in both companies, product is same. In both companies, product is same. At the scenario, like no, we have to create material compounding with the company. Material compounding with the company. So when merged companies with same material ID, same material ID. In both companies, material ID same, but company is different. So like now we have to use source system ID is different. One source system is ECC, another source system is S4. So that time we will easily identify, oh, this material is coming from S4. That means you will easily identify, oh, this company, C1 company. The material is coming from ECC, then it will display like no ECC. Multi-source system scenario. So sometimes like no, we are loading data from multiple source systems. Oracle, SQL, ECC, S4HANA, so for different regions as well. So Europe, Latin America, North America, like this. So at that time, we will follow this one. Source system ID as a source system ID as a component. In this scenario, company code as a component. Company is a component. Okay, so and you can see these few important topics, characteristic compounding with the source system ID when they comes from the different source systems globally unique. It will display unique data. So like now you define compounding in the info object compounding tab by adding the superior info object. So how we will define while you are defining the compounding, so we need to go compounding tab and add the object, which one you want. So in this scenario, we added for material, we added company, and for this characteristic, we added source system ID. Source system ID. Any characteristic ID you can take material or plant or company code, anything you can take and you can add as a source system ID. That scenario. And second one, once completed, compounded, whenever you use the characteristic in a DSO. For example, here we have a material with the company as a compounding, right? When I drag and drop material in the DSO, automatically company also will come. That's even the practically we'll see in the system. In the info cube, while you are creating info cube, when you are dragging drop material, automatically company will come in the Bex query. Okay, compounding info object is add compounding object is automatically adding. No need to add. Just you drag and drop material, company will come. Just you add any characteristic, automatically source system ID will come. So like this, it will having bonding. The compounding info object act as a part of the compounding primary key in the master data table. If we go to P table, it will display as a compounding object as a primary key. That's what they are mentioning. Compounding primary key, superior key. Okay, in the Bex report also, the output displays combining format like GL account and chart of account, it will display. Like this, it will display the data. Okay, let's see how we will see in the object level. So here we have a GL account example. I am taking 0 GL account. So in the 0 GL account level, so we have a compounding. How I came to this screen, go to RSD1. There is a T code RSD1 and type this one 0 GL account and click on display. So we have compounding. Compounding is this one. characteristic, chart of account. Okay, then you can go to master data text, click on P table. What is the key here? See, chart of account only. This is primary key. That's what they're telling it. That's what they're telling it here. These points they're saying like this. Okay, this is become like no component primary key. After the GL account. See, our parent object is GL account. Parent GL object is GL account. When you go to table, chart of account is the parent. This will become like key. You can see this one, key field. Okay. Okay, you can see chart of account and GL account. Now, I want to use GL account in the DSO level. Example, let's go to the DSO. Go back. And I'm trying to create one DSO. So here you can see, observe it, right click on it, key fields, and click on info object direct. And now I'm typing it GL account. GL account having component, right? Just enter it. See, automatically chart of account came. Why it is came? Because it is a component key. Understood? So like this it will come. That's what they're mentioning in the point. Once you compounded, whenever you use characteristic in DSO or InfoCube or BexQuery, the compounding info object will come automatically. Clear? How you will add this compounding object tab level? So you need to go here. This is the compounding tab. If you want to add, you can add it. Okay, clear? So this is very important, okay, in the real time. Just to go through it. And also I will give you two screenshots as well with the example. See, this is the real time example. We have an employee. In the employee, we having so different. Okay, 001, 001, 001. See, we have repeated employees. When I use cost center, then I will get a unique data. If I don't use cost center, then the employees are having duplicates. So when I use CC001, 001 employee and CC01002, CC02 cost center having same employee but different name. So like this, based on the cost center, I can get the unique data. So employees like three times appear. Okay, without cost center, we will not get unique data. This is what saying. In this scenario, we will use it. And one more example. So how you will define it? So in the info object, employee is the employee is the info object. Compounding is cost center. And employee is flagged as compounding and cost center added as a compounding info object. So in the P table also you can see like this data. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.